Hi, my name is Denny Charlton. I'm the Carnivore Supervisor here at Houston Zoo. We are here today to talk about our black bear, Claud. Claud is 4 years old. He will turn 5 this winter. Claud is a really unique animal and so special. We are lucky to have him. He was rescued from Nevada and came to Houston Zoo. Not long after he arrived here, we sort of noticed a little limp that notified us that something might be off a little bit. He was in a little bit of pain, and we were able to work with our veterinarians to determine that he needed surgery to repair a hip issue.
Hi, I'm Dr. Maryanne Tocidlowski. I'm one of the staff veterinarians here at the Houston Zoo. A year ago, we diagnosed Claud with abnormalities of his right hip, and we proceeded, after a lot of discussion and medical care, we proceeded with a surgery that removed part of his femur that was causing him issues with his hip. Nobody had actually done a procedure that we were thinking about, which is called an FHO, or femoral head ostectomy. This is where we take off the head of the femur, and if you think of the cup of the hip, and then the femur comes in like this, and it's supposed to work like this, well, this area was diseased, and so what they do is they cut this part off, and it forms a false joint. He did very well through the rehabilitation. He's off all pain meds, and he's walking almost normally now. So this surgery seems to be quite successful, and we look forward to having a happy bear in the future.
When you do come visit Claud here at Houston Zoo, you will see him exploring his habitats. He loves to swim. He loves to play with enrichment items, things that are novel to him on a daily basis that our zookeepers provide. He loves to forage for food, and sometimes he may just sit there and watch our guests up on his rocks. Bears like Claud do face challenges in the wild. Bears face the issue of losing some of the habitat when trees get knocked down. So Houston Zoo works really hard to use recycled paper products to help reduce trees being cut down, and you can do that at home as well. Remember, just by coming to the Houston Zoo, you are saving bears like Claud in the wild.